Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact font family and only the weights you need to reduce payload. Once chosen, copy the provided link rel equals stylesheet, put it inside the head of your HTML. Make sure to add a preconnect to https://fonts, gstatic, com to speed up DNS and TLS handshakes. You do this now so the browser can fetch fonts early. It improves perceived load time. Finally, save the file and reload to confirm the stylesheet is requested. Now apply the font in your CSS by declaring font family on body or specific selectors, then list fallback fonts to prevent layout shifts. For headings, set explicit font weight values that match the weights you loaded. If you used at import or a custom at font face, include font display. Swap so text remains visible while fonts load. Make sure to scope heavy fonts to limited elements to avoid downloading unnecessary variants. Once done, inspect the computed styles in DevTools to confirm the font is finished by testing across browsers and devices. Load times and fallbacks matter. Open DevTools Network tab to confirm font files are fetched and not blocked by cores or ad blockers. If text still shows a default font, double-check the family name, weights, and the presence of font display. Swap. Make sure you cleared the cache and hard reloaded. Troubleshooting tip. If fonts aren't loading, confirm the link href exactly matches the Google font snippet and that font's gstatic. Com requests return 200 OK. That usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.